Wholesale land and homes, buying real estate made easy.
Hello everyone, this is AJ with Wholesale Land and Homes, and I'm presenting you the 1.something acre lot that we have for sale in Tonopah, Arizona. So right here, I'm on the northeast corner of the lot. You're going to look at it, it's going to start there. It's going to go all the way to the small little post right there. Cuts back down, follows the fence all the way to the other side, and I'll show you where it continues on. But this is the lot that you have right here. Here we'll follow the fence. So over here is a really great property right there. So as you follow the fence, you have the post there. Then there's another post on that end that you'll see, and it cuts all the way to the very other side where you'll see that gate that runs all the way down. So right there will be your property line, and you'll have your water easement. Here are the two water tanks, which gives you an easement right here. So you'll be able to have access to the water. You have electricity poles that's throughout the property. And over there would be your corner where you have the 25-foot entrance. They'll be right there. All right, so let me just get in the middle. You'll be able to, and this is your view of Tonopah. Nice mountains. Renovating the mobile home right now. But this is your view, guys. Come by.
So if you're interested in purchasing this lot, give us a call at 602-529-3829, extension 1. Thank you.
Wholesale land and homes, buying real estate made easy.